Weather Scope.
A winter storm continues to batter much of the east with rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Hardest hit has been the northeast, where some areas are still seeing some significant snow and freezing rain. Good morning and welcome to this edition of Weather Scope. I'm Cheryl Lemke. Now we have crews live on location across the region. And with all the details, here's Rick Griffin in the Forecast Center. Rick?
Thanks. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, everyone. Already 8 inches of snowfall in some of the suburban areas west of Boston, and significant icing overnight in south central Massachusetts and north central sections of Connecticut. So this has been a fairly significant winter storm so far, and it's actually just the first part of a 1-2 punch, because there's another low pressure center forming this morning along the coast of the Carolinas, which could be in a similar position Saturday morning, 24 hours from now, producing the same type of precipitation event in the northeast. So we are watching it closely. In fact, we have 2 crews out in the storm. One is Kristin Dadd in snowy Worcester, Massachusetts, and the other is Mike Seidel. He's in rather rainy Fort Lee, New Jersey. Let's start with Kristin and get the latest. Good morning.
Good morning, Rick, and a lot changed overnight here in Worcester and central Massachusetts. At midnight, we barely had even a dusting of snow on the ground. Well, you can see that has changed quite a bit. Now, we're on the edge of a parking lot here, and over a foot in the drifts. I went out into the field behind me, and we have had anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of snow, and that was fairly consistent with about 5 readings in some of the central portions here. Fairly confident that a good 6 inches has fallen over the nighttime hours, and that's been causing some problems out on the roadways here and also in Boston. The plows have been out all night long, including John Dowd, who is a native of Worcester. What are the roads like?
The roads are slippery at best. There's a thin layer of freezing rain underneath them. And with all the snow on top of them, with the plows going over, it makes it a little bit slippery. It's been snowing heavy at times during the night. Sometimes we're mixed with sleet, freezing rain.
And you're working hard to keep the parking lots clear. Is it hard to keep up with the snow coming down?
Sometimes such a big parking lot, by the time you get to one end, you got to swing right back and you got to hit it again because it's all filled up.
All right, well, get back to it then. Thank you very much, John Dowd, a plow operator here in Worcester. Now let's join Mike Seidel, who is at the foot of the George Washington Bridge in New Jersey, and a little bit better conditions there. Mike?
Yes, Kristin, a whole lot better for driving this morning in the metro area, the tri-state area. Just a lot of wind, a lot of wind this morning, some drizzle and some fog, and some occasional patches of rain, but it's not freezing rain here in New York City. The temperature here at the bridge, 37, and as we take a look at the GW Bridge this morning, traffic is really picking up as the rush hour kicks in here in the New York City area. And you can see the top of the bridge, so the visibility has improved since last night. The ceiling has lifted, but still some more rain in the forecast today. Now, as far as icing goes, you're going to have to head well north and west of the city, out through the lower Hudson Valley, up around Putnam and Orange counties, and out in northern Fairfield County in Connecticut, generally north of I-84. Now, Rick, you mentioned the second storm off the Carolinas. We're going to be watching that very closely for its exact track, because if it does get close enough tonight, we could actually see some snow here in New York City, maybe an inch or so. That's certainly not etched in stone, but that's something to think about. That would occur, though, after the afternoon rush hour. As far as the afternoon rush hour goes here in New York, New Jersey, and nearby Connecticut, it looks okay, except it will be damp. So give yourself some extra braking distance. And we will certainly keep you updated all day long here from Fort Lee, New Jersey. Back to you, Rick.
Thank you very much, Mike, and Kristin, too, who was in snowy Worcester, Massachusetts. All right, snow totals. New report in here. You folks in Westboro, Massachusetts, 8 inches of snowfall overnight. 7. That was 7 in Westboro. Sudbury, Massachusetts, in Middlesex County, 8 inches of new snow. And by the way, the icing, about a 1/4 inch of ice overnight in the Hartford area, particularly up around Windsor, where power lines are reported down. Also in the Vernon, Connecticut area, a 1/4 inch of ice on outdoor surfaces. And the same in Union, that would be in Union, Connecticut, Toland County. So we do have a storm system, one low pressure center now southeast of Long Island, and of course fairly widespread precipitation. Some of it is rain, like in Falmouth, Providence area, right along the south coast of Connecticut. but you go inland a few miles and there's still some icing going on in the interior of Connecticut. And then a general area of snowfall, which is moderately heavy at times over eastern and central Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire and Vermont near Reedsboro, and light to moderate snow over eastern sections of New York State, particularly north of Poughkeepsie up towards the Capital District, southeast Adirondacks region, and around Glens Falls and Warren County in New York State. Farther south, New York City, just some drizzle and light rain, D.C. and Philadelphia as well. So the one storm moving away. Second system, though, beginning to take shape along the coastal Carolinas, and we'll have to watch that closely. 38 New York, 33 Boston, 24 with light snow in Albany. Here's your forecast map. As the day unfolds, still some wintry precipitation. Snowfall. This is just from now to midnight.